If in the end the thread of your love has come undone, don't hold on to yesterday anymore. You still have your charm and everything you've ever had. Don't let hatred fill your heart. That past. I want to tell you honestly, I've fallen in love with you, my precious one. I truly understand the pain you're feeling. It's not easy to forget the one who once was yours. But with all sincerity, I must confess, in my sleep, in my dreams, it's only you. Hold on to yesterday anymore. You still have your charm and everything you